my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best baked beans. My daughter brought this recipe to my house and I was like, oh my goodness, they're so good. So I thumbed the recipe off of her. So let's get started. I've eaten a lot of baked bean recipes, but this is my favorite. I love it. Recipe. So you start with some olive oil. We're going to saute some onions. You could cut your onions a lot smaller than this. Now let's add some ketchup. It's going to be like our sauce. Dry mustard. Okay, so I'm going to add a can of lima beans, undrained. Two cans of kidney beans, drained. Makes a pretty big serving. Now I'm going to add 3 cans of baked beans. These are original, but you can add any kind you want. I did not drain these. Okay, so it's heated up, so I'm going to... There you go, perfect. Perfect. Ready to go in the oven. Just going in the oven at 375 for 40 minutes and it will be scrumptious. This is actually a family recipe, not mine, but somebody else's, and it was brought to my house and I could not get over how good this recipe. And then to find out that it was simple, very good, very good.